வணக்கம். இந்த வீடியோவில் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது sequence of real numbers, one of the most important concept in analysis. Okay, roughly speaking, sequence of real numbers is collection of objects with some orders. Okay, precise definition is a sequence of real numbers x is a function of set of all natural numbers n to set of all real numbers r. Okay, it is denoted by x equal to xn or list the elements of sequence. Okay, now we are going to see some examples. Okay, first one, okay, let a equal to 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3 and so on. Okay, it is also denoted by 1 by n, okay, n equal to 1 to infinity. Okay, this is sequence because a is a function from n to r defined by a of n equal to 1 by n for all n in n. Okay, next example, okay, let b equal to 1, 1, 1 etc. Okay, this is sequence because b is a function from n to r defined by b of n equal to 1 for all n in n. Okay, third example, c equal to minus 1, 1, minus 1 etc. Okay, this is sequence because c is a function from set of all natural numbers n to set of all real numbers defined by c of n equal to minus 1 whole power n for all n. Okay, next we are going to see convergent of sequence. Okay, definition, we say that sequence xn is convergent to x if for all epsilon greater than 0 there exists n naught in natural number such that modulus of xn minus x is less than epsilon for all n greater than or equal to n naught. Okay, modulus of xn minus x less than epsilon for all n greater than or equal to n naught means that, okay, after the certain stage n naught, all the terms of sequence lies in the neighborhood of x. Okay, if xn converges to x, we denoted by limit n tends to infinity xn equal to x or xn tends to s as n tends to infinity. Example, the sequence x equal to 1 by n, n equal to 1 to infinity, the sequence convergent to 0. Okay, now we are going to prove this sequence converges to 0. Okay, for this, given epsilon greater than 0, we must find a natural number n naught such that modulus of 1 by n minus 0 less than epsilon for all n greater than or equal to n naught. Okay, that is 1 by n less than epsilon for all n greater than or equal to n naught. Okay, by Archimedean principle, we can choose n naught in n such that 1 by epsilon is less than n naught. Okay, this gives 1 by n naught is less than epsilon. Okay, if n greater than or equal to n naught, then 1 by n is less than or equal to 1 by n naught. Okay, using these two fact, we get 1 by n is less than epsilon for all n greater than or equal to n. This shows that 1 by n convergent to 0. Okay, next definition, we say that the sequence xn is divergent if it is not convergent. Okay, example, the sequence 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 etc. is not convergent sequence. Okay, now we going to see the proof of this sequence is not convergent. Suppose the sequence is convergent, that means there exists x in R such that the sequence 1, 2, 1, 2 etc. converges to x. Okay, that means given any epsilon there exists n naught in n such that modulus of xn minus x less than epsilon for all n greater than or equal to n naught. Okay. In particular, choose epsilon equal to 1 by 4. There exists n naught in n such that modulus of xn naught minus x is less than 1 by 4 and modulus of xn naught plus 1 minus x less than 1 by 4. Okay, if n naught is odd, then xn naught is 1 and xn naught plus 1 is 2. Okay. Now now modulus of xn naught minus xn naught plus 1 equal to 1 by triangle inequality, which is less than or equal to modulus of xn naught minus x plus modulus of xn naught plus 1 minus x. Okay, by equation 2, these two term less than 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 2, okay, which is contradiction. 2 1 less than or equal to 1 by 2. Okay, another case, if n naught is even, then xn naught equal to 2 and xn naught plus 1 equal to 1. Okay, now 1 equal to modulus of xn naught minus, okay, now xn naught minus xn naught plus 1 equal to 1. Okay, by triangle inequality, which is less than or equal to modulus of xn naught minus x plus modulus of xn naught plus 1 minus x. By 2, okay, we get these two terms less than 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, okay, which is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, this implies 1 less than or equal to or 1 less than 2, 1 by 2, okay, which is contradiction. Okay, this implies 1 2 1 2, the sequence is not convergent. Thank you.